So the boxes are going higher?
Sorry?
The boxes are going
The boxes are going to go higher first.
Magnesio.
¿Magnesio? ¿Para qué?
No, batería.
Ah.
Ya. Pero qué temperatura buena. Me gusta.
Here we can make continuous measurements at that same elevation, halfway through the atmosphere. And we can use that to correct and calibrate the satellite record. We can use that to relate to the balloon record. And then, of course, we can look at trends and see whether we've got warming at that particular elevation or cooling, just what kind of thing is going on with temperature and with humidity. El Nino is driven by Pacific Ocean sea surface temperatures, which we know are very closely correlated or related to temperatures throughout the Andes, from Bolivia up through Peru. And typically when the Pacific sea surface temperatures are very warm, as they are during an El Nino, we have warm conditions on the mountains in the Andes, as well as less precipitation.
Según las proyecciones de las agencias internacionales, el evento estaría manifestándose un pico en los meses de diciembre. Si es así, las condiciones actuales persisten hacia fin de año, las consecuencias principales serían fuertes lluvias, principalmente en la zona norte del Perú.
Oh, nothing's happening. What happens at Quelccaya is symptomatic, or is an example of what's happening elsewhere in the world. As I mentioned, it's one of the very few places where we can make meteorological measurements, understand the climate, and then by virtue of that, understand what's happening to the glaciers, which provide the water resources and the hydroelectricity, as well as possibly even a warning of the warming and temperatures which lies ahead. So even though it's not in a place where people live, it's providing us information over a much larger scale.